The problem so soon will be solved today in this class. So all the best for everyone.
Okay, we're gonna solve this problem from the left hand side. From LHS. This is A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. It will be A square minus B square. You have 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 at the back. I wrote here A plus B, A minus B. So 2 cos theta whole square will be 4 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Now, furthermore, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, now 2. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, what we did here is in place of 2 cos square theta, we wrote here 1 plus cos 2 theta because we all know that 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now we multiply it, 2 1 is 2, 2 into cos 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta minus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Now on further solving it, we get here 2 cos 2 theta, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Here you have 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Now again it looks like in the previous pattern, means like we did here 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1. We also have 2 cos 2 theta plus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. So on comparing this with A plus B, A minus 2, we get here A square minus B square. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. 2 say 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is assumed to be theta. 2 cos square theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 into cos 4 theta is 2 cos 4 theta and then minus 1. Now if we solve it further, we get here 2 cos 4 theta, 2 minus 1 is 1. This is our RHS. LIC and theta manik sir. Your theta 2 cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is how we solve the problem. Okay. Here we are solving the problem from LHS. You have cos power 8 theta. This can be done as cos power 4 theta whole square plus sin power 4 theta whole square. Now we can compare this formula with A square plus B square. The formula of A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So we are going to use the same formula, A plus B whole square minus 2AB or A minus B whole square plus 2AB. This problem is easy solving when you keep formula A minus B whole square plus 2AB. Okay, A square plus B square, A minus B whole square plus 2AB. Now again cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square. Sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta whole square. 2. Here have cos theta and sin theta being multiplied, so we keep them together. Cos theta into sin theta. We have power 4 here. Now we multiply numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2. Now here you have A square minus B square. The formula for A square minus B square is A plus B, A plus B, A minus B. This is the formula of A square minus B square plus 2 same. Now 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. You have power 4 here as well by 2 power 4 is 16. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. We also have square here. This is square here. Okay. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you don't need to write this one. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. You have square outside. Plus 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. So it comes to be 1 by 8. Sin to the power 4 2 theta. Now we got this part. Now we need this part. Now you have cos square 2 theta plus 1 by 8 sine power 4 2 theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So if you know the formula, then it's easy doing. This is our RHS. See, a square plus b square, a minus b whole square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now cos power 4 is equal to x square, 2 into 2, power 4, 2 into 2, and this is square here, 2. First of all, write cos theta into sin theta. You have power 4 for both, and 2 into up and down. Now, further simplifying this in the similar pattern, we get our answer done. Okay, from LHS. Okay. You have tan 3a. This can be written as 1 by cot 3a. You have tan a. This can be written as 1 by cot a by 1 by cot 3a plus cot a. Now, furthermore, you can take LCM. Cot a into cot 3a. You have cot a plus cot 3a. When we simplify the denominator, we obtain this part minus 1 by cot 3a plus cot a. Now we reciprocal that from cot a into cot 3a divided by cot a plus cot 3a. We reciprocate it went here to multiply with 1. Now minus 1 by cot 3a plus cot a. Now when you take LCM of this term, we're taking LCM of the denominator. You have cot a, you have the same denominator, so the LCM will also be same. Cot a plus cot 3a. So when the denominator and LCM is same, the numerator will also be same. Okay, now denominator LCM same, denominator also same. Now you can compare this with the formula cot a plus b. Cot a plus, the formula of cot a plus b is cot a into cot b minus 1, cot a plus cot b. So this comes to be cot a plus 3a. By comparing this with the formula cot a plus b. So cot a plus 3a gives you cot 4a, which is our RHS. Okay, here I am solving the problem from LHS. You have sin square a plus sin square b. The formula of cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. You have that formula also. On the other side, you also have 1 minus 2 sin square a. It's easy solving by using the formula 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, the formula of cos 2a, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now, sin square a plus sin square b into 1 is sin square b minus 2 sin square a sin square b. Sin square b into 1, sin square b into 2 sin square a is 2 sin square b. Now we have sin square b at first, so let's get the sin square b at first here to match with RHS. Plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a sin square b. You have sin square b already here. You can get sin square a common here, and then you have 1 minus 2 sin square b. And the formula of 1 minus 2 sin square b is cos 2b. Like 1 minus 2 sin square a is obtained from cos 2a. Similarly, 1 minus 2 sin square b is also obtained from cos 2b. 1 minus 2 sin square b is cos 2b. This is our RHS. Okay, now let's multiply. 4 into cos cube 10 is 4 cos cube 10. 4 into sin cube 20 is 4 sin cube 20. Now we need to use formula very carefully. Now we all know the formula of sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sine cube A. So let us derive the formula. When you get 4 sine cube A front, it tends to plus 4 sine cube A equals to 3 sine A minus sine 3A. We get this formula. So on the 4 sine cube A, these things should be kept into memory. Similarly, we also have the formula of cos 3A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So when you derive formula of 4 cos cube A, you get cos 3A plus 3 cos A equals to 4 cos cube A. Now let us use the same formula. 4 cos cube A. Here is 4 cos cube 10. So cos 3A plus 3 cos A is the formula of 4 cos cube A. So 4 cos cube 10 is cos 3 into 10 cos 3A plus 3 cos A. So I use the formula of 4 cos cube A here. Now 4 sine cube A. 4 sine cube A is 3 sine A. 3 sine A minus sine 3A. Minus sine 3A. Now we got this formula here. Now on the basis of same, now we'll solve it similarly. Now 4 cos cube A, we use the formula of 4 cos cube A, and we also use the formula of 4 sine cube A. Now let us further solve it. Now cos 3 into 10 gives you 30. We'll take 3 common. It will change into cos 10 plus sine 20 and sine 20, and you have sine 3 into 20 is 60. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 3 cos 10 sine 20 degree, and sine 20 is also root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 cancels, so your answer will be 3 times cos 10 plus sine 20 degree. This is your RHS. So we're gonna solve this problem from the left hand side. So you have sine square A. Let's write sine square A as it is. Now cos 2b. Cos 2b has two formula, two main formula. One 2 cos square A minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sine square A. So here cos 2b. Here you have the answer in the form of b. So we use the formula where there exists cos b. Cos b. We use the formula where there exists cos b. So your formula is 2 cos square b minus 1 minus sine square b cos 2a. Here is cos a. So we use the formula where there exists cos a. So the formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. Now let us multiply it. Sine square a, 2 sine square a cos square b minus sine square a into 1 is sine square a minus 2 cos square a sine square b plus sine square b. Now furthermore, what we can do is, now we have to solve for the way to cancel these two terms. So now the way it can be cancelled is not that complicated. Okay, see how am I doing this. 2, you have sine square a here, you have cos square a here. So sine square a can be converted into cos square a. Now you have cos square b here, you have sine square b here. Let's keep this cos square b same. Minus sine square a minus 2 cos square a. Let us change the sine square b. This sine square b can be changed to cos square b by using formula 1 minus cos square b. Okay, now let's 1 by 2. 1 is 2. 2 into cos square b is 2 cos square b minus 2 cos square a dot cos square b minus sine square a minus 2 cos square a into 1 is 2 cos square a. Minus into minus gives you plus 2 cos square a into cos square b is 2 cos square a cos square b plus this sine square b. Now you can see that minus 2 cos square a cos square b plus 2 cos square a cos square b, these two can be cancelled. Now let's see if there is any other thing that we can cancel. Nothing. So let's try the remaining term. 2 cos square b minus sine square a minus 2 cos square a plus sine square b. Now sin square is 1 minus cos square A. Sin square B is 1 minus cos square B. Remove the bracket. Okay, now we can cancel. Sorry, not now. Now we can cancel this plus 1 and minus 1. 2 cos square B minus cos square B is cos square B. Cos square A minus 2 cos square A is minus cos square A. And this is our RHS. And this is our RHS. Okay, now I'm going to solve the same problem in a different way. You have sin square A here. The formula of cos 2b is cos square B minus sin square B. We have sin square B here. The formula of cos 2 is cos square A minus sin square A. Now let's multiply sin square A to cos square B is sin square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B minus cos square A sin square B, and minus into minus gives you plus sin square A sin square B, sin square A sin square B. Now sin square A sin square B is negative here, sin square A sin square B is positive here, so we cancel this negative and positive. Now what we have left is sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Now we check our forms on the right hand side. One more time. You can see here cos 2b is changed to cos square B minus sin square B. Cos 2a is changed into cos square A minus sin square A. Now when you multiply this cos square A sin square into cos square B, when you multiply this you get this term. Now this and this got cancel. Now this and this part is left. Now on the right hand side you have cos square B, on the right hand side you have cos square A. So we use the formula of sin square A, we use the formula of sin square B, and then again multiply and then further solve to get the answers. So this much.